A 12 kg box slides down a frictionless surface, section AB of height 5 meters. Then the box moves through X meters on a rough horizontal surface, section BC, before coming to rest at point C. The coefficient of kinetic friction of the box on section BC is 0.4. Okay. Use work energy principles only. So, uyahlonishwa lo myalelo kodwa sisebenzisa ama-work energy principles kuphela ukukhalkuletha le nto le kuthiwa iyafuneka. Ngoba ungasebenzisa enye ifomula ikunikeze le answer le e-correct but ube wrong ngoba awulandelanga imiyalelo efanele. Khumbula le topic le iyasebenzisana nama-equations of motion esasebenzisa ngala kwe-free fall. So ungayisebenzisa nje enye ama-equations khona ikunikeze i-answer correct. Njengamanje la sinikeziwe i-initial velocity because i-box liyaslide, meaning there's no initial, there's no applied force. So initial velocity assume ukuthi u-0. Isikhathi esiningi kodwa bazositshela ukuthi the box moves from rest position or the box is released. So initial velocity kuzobe ku-0. Then bathi imova a frictionless surface section AB. Khona ifomula ethi sicabanga-ke lapho ukuthi the mechanical energy is conserved, meaning the mechanical energy at point A is equal to the mechanical energy at point B. You are free to use that formula since i-frictional force ingekho ku-section AB. Umbuzo wokuqala uthi calculate the velocity of the box at point B. So sebenzisa yona le formula engishoyo. Mechanical energy at A is equal to the mechanical energy at point B. Okubani? EK at point A plus EP at point A is equal to EK at point B plus EP at point B. Okufanele ukwazi le formula ayikho kwi-formula sheet, fanele uyazi ngekhanda. But lo bakunikezile ukuthi u-EK ulingana no-half mv squared. Bakunikeza futhi ukuthi u-EP ulingana no-mgh kwi-formula sheet. Then okwakho ukuthi uyihlanganise le formula. Ungayiphambanisi. So i-mass ye-object at point A u-12. I-velocity u-0 plus i-mass u-12 times 9.8. I-height ye-object at point A u-5 is equal to i-mass 12. I-velocity sifuna yona at point B plus i-mass u-12 times 9.8 times i-height at point B u-0. I-box mase lifika lapha phansi lifika ku-ground, height yakhona u-0. So lozo sinikeza u-0, 12 times 9.8 times 5. Sinikeza u-5 plus 588 is equal to, this is 6 VB squared plus u-0. This is 588. 6 VB squared divided by 6 divided by 6. VB squared is equal to, that is 98 square on both sides. VB is equal to 9,9, 9,899 meters per second. Okay, equation elandelayo ithi calculate the value of x. Bafuna ukuthi izohamba ibanga elingakanani lo object isuka ku-point B iya ku-point C. Izohamba ibanga elingakanani. Leyo nto leyo siyifuna njengamanje. So sesiyayazi ukuthi la ifike nge-velocity, velocity at point B 9,89 meters per second. Siyazi futhi ukuthi at point C i-velocity yakhona, i-velocity yakhona u-0 because inakhuzana i-object yethu izofika ime khona before coming to rest at point C. So siyazi ukuthi at point C object yethu izofika ime. Izinto lezo oyibhala ngesikhathi usafunda i-statement so that ungayikhohlwa. Okay. So u-x somthola kanjani? Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle u-delta x ulingana no-x njengamanje. Thina sifuna u-delta x and kuthiwa sisebenzisa ama-work energy principles. Into fanele siyibuze yona, siqale si-draw i-free body diagram, sikhombise wonke ama-forces a-acta laphaya. Kukhona Fk, kukhona normal force, kukhona Fg. And thina sinake kakhulu lawa parallel to the surface. So khona Fk yedwa. Kusho ukuthi sine-work done by frictional force only. Work done by Fk, okay, W net is equal to change in Ek. Sine-work done by Fk kuphela. So we'll have V squared minus Vi squared. So Fk delta x cos of theta half m Vf squared minus Vi squared. Umbuzo-ke uthi nginayo yini frictional force? Anginayo. Nginayo yini final velocity? Nginayo. Izofika imi. Nginayo yini initial velocity? Nginayo ngoba i-object ngiyibuka ngiyisusa ku-point B. Ngiyazi ku-point B initial velocity ifike ngubani object. Njengamanje into engishoda ngayo i-frictional force ukuze ngikwazi uku-calculate u-delta x. Ngizoyithola kanjani i-frictional force? Nginikeziwe u-μk. Ngingakhona ukuthola i-normal force. So i-normal force in this case izolingana no-Fg, lingane no-mg. I-mass ubani? U-12 times 9,8. Ukuzosikhiphela bani? Ukuzosikhiphela 17,6 newtons. So uFk is equal to μk times the normal force, μk 0,4, normal force 117,6 times 0,4 is about 47,04 newtons. So i-normal force njengamanje nginayo. The frictional force of 47,04 delta x angimazi ngifuna yena cos object yethu yakwa right, frictional force yethu yakwa left, the angle between the direction of motion and the force in question 108 is equal to i-mass ye-object u-12, final velocity at point C izofikime, initial velocity at point B 9,89 squared. So ngapha sinayishaya, okay, kule side elingapha cos of 180 uzosinikeza negative, so siba no-negative 47,04 delta x. Ngapha half times 12 times negative 9,89 squared. Usikhiphela negative 586,8726 divided by negative 47,04, negative 47,04 delta x wethu solingana noba uzolingana no-12,47 meters. That is the value of x.